Hello viewers, welcome to GV Explorer. Today I am going to share a simple and delicious barbecue style of cooking. A whole pineapple in the oven. Most of the fruits are fragile for grilling. Pineapple is an exception and makes a best treat. This is very simple and elegant dessert, and also a light and refreshing one. This is a low fat, low calorie and a low carbohydrate recipe. This cuisine originated from America. Pineapple boosts immunity, improves digestion, strengthens bones, and also reduces the risk of cancer. This has many vitamins and minerals. Now let's get started and check out the ingredients. A whole pineapple, half slice of lemon, salt and chili powder for the taste, 1 tablespoon of honey, quarter tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Now let's get into the preparation. Trim, core and peel the pineapple skin. Cut the leaves on top of the pineapple. Then peel it with a knife. Remove the eyes with a paring knife. Now cut them into slices as shown here and make it into small cubes. This will help us to arrange the pineapple in barbecue skewers in a proper order and can make cook evenly. So here we are cutting the whole pineapple into 16 wedges. Now take a bowl. First add chili powder and salt as per the taste. Then add pepper powder, add chaat masala, add honey, now squeeze the lemon, mix it well until all the ingredients gets properly mixed. Now add little amount of oil and mix it gently. Now add the pineapple slices into the bowl. And mix it well. Make sure all the pineapple slices gets coated completely and keep it aside for 5 minutes. As shown here, now add pineapple slices into the skewers. Here we are arranging for each skewer 4 wedges so that the pineapple will get cooked properly. Make sure to keep the space between each slice. At first, preheat the oven and place the pineapple into it. Here we are keeping 180 degree and set the time for 10 minutes. See here, the pineapple is getting grilled properly and turns into golden brown. If required in middle, you can apply some oil. Finally, our delicious, yummy and spicy grilled pineapple is ready. Serve this as a dessert alone or with scoop of ice cream. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.